In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data in Firestore database. We'll do this entirely in the Firebase console, so start by signing in and opening the project you want to work with. From the left navigation, hover over the Databases and Storage section to reveal its options. Choose Firestore to open the Cloud Firestore interface. Firestore is a NoSQL document database, which means your data lives in collections made up of individual documents, and each document contains fields. Once Firestore opens, go to the Data tab. This is where you can browse your database and create new entries. If you're setting things up for the first time, you'll see the option to create your first collection. Click Start Collection to begin. You'll be asked for a collection ID. This is the name of your top-level collection, such as users, products, or posts. Pick something clear and consistent because you'll query by this name in your app. Avoid spaces and special characters. Short, all lowercase names with hyphens or underscores tend to work well. When you're happy with the name, continue by selecting Next. Now you're creating the first document inside that collection. You can provide a custom document ID if you need a predictable identifier, or let Firestore generate one for you. To simplify and ensure uniqueness, use the Auto ID option. This produces a random, collision-resistant ID that works well for most use cases. With the document in place, it's time to add fields. Each field has a name, a data type, and a value. Click into the field name box and type a descriptive key, like title, name, or status. Open the type dropdown and choose string. A string is perfect for plain text, such as titles, usernames, or notes. In the value box, enter the text you want to store. You can repeat this to add more fields if needed, but we'll keep it simple here with a single string field for clarity. When everything looks correct, click Save. Firestore writes the document immediately and returns you to the data view. You should now see your new collection on the left, the document in the middle, and your string field with its value on the right. That's your confirmation that the data was added successfully. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you run into permission errors, review your Firestore security rules to ensure the console user has write access. Also remember that each write operation counts toward your usage, so keep an eye on your billing plan. And if you need to edit or add more fields later, you can always select the document and make changes right here. That's it. Your data is now in Firestore and ready for your app to query.